Iraq stands at a critical juncture. Years of conflict and instability have taken a toll, but amidst the challenges, a glimmer of hope emerges. The nation seeks to rebuild its economy and reclaim its place on the global stage. At the heart of this endeavor lies a bold gamble, a concerted effort to reinforce the Iraqi dinar and stabilize its financial system. The stakes are high, but the potential rewards are even greater. The world watches with bated breath as Iraq implements significant monetary policy changes. These changes aim to curb inflation, attract foreign investment, and ultimately improve the lives of ordinary Iraqis. But the road to economic recovery is fraught with obstacles. Iraq's leaders face a daunting task. They must navigate a complex web of internal and external pressures, from entrenched corruption to volatile global markets. For decades, Iraq's economy has been intrinsically linked to its vast oil reserves. This dependence on a single commodity has proven to be both a blessing and a curse. While oil wealth has brought periods of prosperity, it has also made Iraq vulnerable to the unpredictable swings of global energy markets. When oil prices plummet, the Iraqi economy feels the pain acutely. Government revenues dwindle, leading to budget cuts, unemployment, and social unrest. This over-reliance on oil has stifled the growth of other sectors, hindering diversification and creating an unbalanced economy. The Iraqi government recognizes the need to break free from this cycle of dependence. They aim to diversify the economy by promoting growth in sectors such as agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing. However, achieving this diversification will require significant investment, structural reforms, and a conducive business environment. The journey towards a more resilient and diversified economy is long and arduous, but by taking proactive steps to reduce its reliance on oil, Iraq can pave the way for sustainable growth and prosperity. In a bid to stabilize the Iraqi economy and strengthen the national currency, the Central Bank of Iraq introduced a new exchange rate system in 2022. This move sent shockwaves through the financial system, causing both excitement and apprehension among investors and ordinary citizens alike. The new system aimed to bridge the gap between the official exchange rate and the parallel market rate, which had long been a source of instability and speculation. By unifying the exchange rate, the central bank sought to curb currency manipulation, reduce inflation, and boost confidence in the Iraqi dinar. However, this bold move did not come without its challenges. The immediate aftermath of the devaluation saw a surge in prices for imported goods, impacting the purchasing power of ordinary Iraqis. The government faced the difficult task of mitigating these negative effects while ensuring the long-term success of the new exchange rate regime. Only time will tell whether this gamble will pay off. The success of the new exchange rate system hinges on the government's ability to maintain fiscal discipline, attract foreign investment, and foster sustainable economic growth. Section 4. The central bank's crackdown. Recognizing that a stable financial system is the bedrock of a strong economy, the Central Bank of Iraq has taken decisive steps to combat illicit financial flows. Money laundering and terrorist financing pose significant threats to Iraq's stability and security, undermining its efforts to rebuild and prosper. The CBI has implemented stricter regulations and enhanced its oversight of the banking sector. Banks are now required to comply with stringent anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing measures. These measures include enhanced customer due diligence, suspicious transaction reporting, and increased transparency in financial transactions. Furthermore, the CBI has been actively collaborating with international partners to strengthen its capacity to combat financial crime. By sharing information and best practices, Iraq is bolstering its defenses against those who seek to exploit its financial system for illicit purposes. The fight against money laundering and terrorist financing is a continuous one. The CBI remains vigilant in its efforts to safeguard the integrity of Iraq's financial system and protect its economy from these insidious threats. Section 5. Strengthening the financial fortress. To further bolster the Iraqi dinar and enhance the resilience of the financial system, the Central Bank of Iraq has implemented a series of measures aimed at strengthening banks and increasing foreign exchange reserves. These proactive steps are crucial for mitigating risks and creating a more stable and attractive investment environment. One key measure has been to increase capital requirements for banks operating in Iraq. By requiring banks to hold higher levels of capital, the CBI is ensuring that they are better equipped to absorb potential losses and withstand financial shocks. This move is designed to enhance the stability of the banking sector and protect depositors' funds. Furthermore, the CBI has been actively working to increase its foreign exchange reserves. These reserves serve as a crucial buffer, providing the central bank with the resources to intervene in currency markets and maintain stability in times of economic uncertainty. The increase in foreign exchange reserves reflects growing confidence in Iraq's economic prospects. By strengthening banks and bolstering foreign exchange reserves, the CBI is laying a solid foundation for a more resilient and stable financial system. These measures are essential for attracting foreign investment, promoting economic growth, and securing a brighter future for the Iraqi people. Section 6. Navigating the path ahead. Iraq's journey towards economic recovery and financial stability is far from over. While the government's recent monetary policy changes and efforts to strengthen the dinar have shown promise, significant challenges remain. The specter of oil dependency continues to loom large over the Iraqi economy. Breaking free from this dependence and achieving meaningful economic diversification will require sustained effort, strategic investments, and a conducive business environment. The government must prioritize the development of non-oil sectors, such as agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism, to create a more resilient and balanced economy. Furthermore, tackling corruption and improving governance remain paramount. Corruption acts as a drag on economic growth, deterring investment and eroding public trust. The government must demonstrate its commitment to transparency, accountability, and the rule of law to foster a level playing field for businesses and attract foreign investment. The road ahead may be long and arduous, but Iraq has shown remarkable resilience and determination in the face of adversity. By addressing its challenges head-on, implementing sound economic policies, and fostering an environment conducive to growth and investment, Iraq can build a brighter future for its people and reclaim its place as a beacon of stability and prosperity in the region.